Right, welcome to Bride Rock. Strawberry flavour, and we're going to do little pictures of brides. 13 kilos this one. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. We're going to have a little picture of a sassy bride with brunette hair. She's going to have a white dress and she's going to be surrounded by pink. Let's get stuck in. So this is a really popular lolly in wedding themed candies. We do another one which is a groom. We have a mix, the bride and groom mix. We've been doing these lollies for, I think, I reckon these go back to like 2010, at least 2009. We've been doing these. I think we were the first ones making bride and groom rock. So really popular with weddings, bomboniere. Now we've got the face. It's actually quite a tricky design. Even doing it, it's one of my favourite designs because I've got it down to a T, but it comes down to getting everything in the right proportion, getting the colours the right tone, and making sure everything is cooled down really, really firm so we get a really sharp image. It's when you're not cooling images or pictures down is when everything starts to flop and go a bit saggy. Okay, so we've got our hair, our skin tone, our white dress and the white pinstripe on the outside, and the rest is going to be fill, which is the pink. And I just add just a splosh, not a splash, not a dollop, a splosh of white. We want that pink to be nice and dark, but not too light. I love this pink. The pink is a really beautiful pink. Thanks. And complete. There's a beautiful little bride. Brunette hair, white dress, pink skin, beautiful. Really nice and sharp, that one. I'm really happy with that. Strawberry flavour, and we've got 13 kilos made there. And that is Bride Rock.